Hey guys, today I'm going to be making fresh dog food for my puppy. I just got a mini Goldendoodle. Let me show you. Say hi, Ginger. Hi. Say hi, Ayumi. She said hi. Okay, so Ayumi was watching her show, but she would not take a break. So we are about to show you how we make Ginger's fresh food. Let me wash my hands because I did just touch a dog. I know some of you guys have dogs and you don't mind. I might. I have a baby, so gotta keep it pretty sanitary. So I'm going to wash my hands first. Let me dry them on my towel. Keep things like this out of reach from your kids because they will touch it. Okay, so I am going to show you guys what I use to make her food. She's extremely hungry, so I did give her a cup of yogurt, not a cup, but like a little spoon of yogurt as a probiotic for the day. But I'm about to get into this video, so you guys, he is out of the chair now, so I'm just gonna show you guys what we use to make Ginger's food. So I have three pounds of ground chicken. I have 3.5 cups, well, 3.5 cups of chicken broth and 1/2 cup of filtered water because filtered water, all of this stuff, well, some of this meat stuff you don't eat. We're vegetarian, but I guess this doesn't make me any better than meat eaters because I'm cooking it for my dog. Okay, wait. Do you need a snack? She just got through eating oranges. Okay, so I have 2 cups of brown rice, 7.5 ounces of pureed pumpkin. I have this disgusting beef liver. So sad. I'm sorry, Cal. I have 2 cups of carrots and 1 large sweet potato. I left the skin on to get all the nutrients for her. I have a 1/2 cup of green peas and I have a cup of green beans. And yeah, I think I named all the ingredients. Oh, and I have 2 cups of spinach. So without further ado, let's get this video started. So first I'm going to get the rice cooking. So I'm just going to pour the stock in the pot. Yeah. Gonna put that in there, put my stuff in the sink that I don't use. And I'm going to actually bring the chicken stock to a boil first, and then I'm gonna add in the rice. Okay, so right here I am about to add in the rice. My water is boiling, so I'm gonna add in the 2 cups of brown rice, and I am going to let that cook and use that for later. So here I'm just mixing my rice, well, stirring my rice, and I am about to grab a pot to add the sweet potatoes so I can mash them. That's what I'm doing here. I am steaming the sweet potato until it's like good enough to be mashed. It's almost done. I'm gonna let that steam a little more. So right now I have the rice still cooking. Of course it has to be like cooked. And then I have my pot. Don't mind the little scuffs on the pot. It's literally my like oil pot. But I am going to cook the ground chicken in there because I don't eat meat and I feel comfortable with like meat being in that pan, in that pot. So it's getting hot. And then I'm gonna add the chicken in. I still have the green veggies still raw. I am going to add the spinach in with the ground beef once the ground beef like browns a little. And then I'm just gonna add everything else. So stay tuned for that. Okay. So now the pot is hot. I'm going to add in this ground chicken. Hopefully the pot is not too hot. Nope, it's perfect. here I am just adding the pureed pumpkin into the sweet potato mixture, and I'm just going to mash that together so that it becomes like one component, I guess, so it's evenly mixed. So right here I'm just separating the ground chicken so that it breaks up into small pieces. I did not add any oil to this, and yeah. So this is my mashed sweet potato and pumpkin mixture, and I added the fresh spinach to the ground chicken. Next, I'm going to add turmeric into the pot just to give extra nutrients and some color to that chicken. Green peas. Now I'm going to add in the carrots. Let me drain some of that water out. Okay, I'm going to add in my carrots to the mixture. Here I am just adding the sweet potato mixture into the ground chicken and veggie mixture, and I'm just going to mix all of that together so everything is evenly distributed. So next I'm just going to add the rice into the pot and mix that all together so that it's a nice little mixture for my baby, my puppy baby. So right here I'm just mixing everything up to make sure that my puppy is getting an even amount of food, and Ayumi saw over this. Okay, so I am done with the food, and it looks like this. It doesn't look like I'll eat it. It looks like this. Not sure if you can see that, but yeah. It's nice and cooked. I am just going to put this food in freezer bags, and I'm gonna freeze it. But right now I am going to give my baby, my puppy, some. So as you can tell, Ginger loves her food, and that is all for the video. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and don't mind the mess in the background between my dog and my baby. It's always chaos. Bye guys, thanks.